Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for tuning into the channel. You got Chili Moose here. We have a 2004 KTM 450 EXC, the last of the RFS racing 4-stroke motors. So check this out guys. On this channel here, we are going to reproduce, there's a video out there by Rocky Mountain ATV.
Hey, Jay here. We got our latest project bike. This is for dirtbikes.com. Really cool older bike. It's a 2004 KTM 450 EXC. So it's street legal.
Where they totally redid one of these KTM 450s. Same year, same model. I'm going to try to recreate that. I believe the guy's name is Jay for the Dirt Bike channel or Dirt Bike TV. He redid this. So we're going to try to reproduce this. I'm going to show the actual cost of what it takes for, you know, I don't want to say weekend warrior, but for your average Joe, average cost of what it takes to redo this bike. I'm going to document it here on the YouTube channel. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and I'll keep you guys posted. But for now, let me walk you around the bike and let you guys know what's wrong with this bike. All right, so here it is, KTM 450 EXC 2004. So this bike has been sitting for some time now. I bought this for $3,200 a couple years back. So let me walk you through the bike. So it's got the XL rims, Takasoga rims. It's got some, I don't know, some tires there. The bike needs some work. It's got the Akrapovic exhaust. I know the water pump is leaking. The valves have never been adjusted. The front forks need some work. They need some attention there. You know, I got some plastics that are ripped, old plastics. Let's see here, the headlight, I don't even think that works. So we're gonna redo this bike, make it look nice and clean, nice and ready. And you can see there, very dirty. It's got the leaky water pump. Not sure about the radiators. They're probably leaking, they're probably bent. We got some electrical issues here. This computer doesn't work. A lot of stuff wrong with this bike. All right, so I'm gonna document it here. You guys let me know what you think. You guys let me know what it should need. We're gonna try to reproduce what they did on the YouTube channel there where they redid this bike. So stay tuned guys. Thank you for tuning in.